Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So I do have this glare, or like the sun is beaming right here, so just ignore that if you can. So I am recording this on Tuesday, so I'm gonna have to back plan for Monday, but I did write all my stuff that I completed down. I am going to do a spread using this sticker book from American Crafts. I actually did a spread like this last year, but it was a vertical. And I'm gonna use the silver section because I never use silver in my spreads because I don't really like silver. I prefer like gold accents, and that's why all of my gold stuff is gone. So I'm gonna be using those mixed in with this sticker book from American Crafts. Now it doesn't have a name, but it has a lot of like unicorns and stuff like that in it, so it's a lot of fun. All right, I have pulled all of my stuff. This is gonna be a very fun looking spread, and I'm excited about it. Let's see here. I can incorporate other colors because the purples and stuff are in here as well. I actually need to buy another one of these because I don't have any more blacks either. Yep, I'm probably gonna do that because I actually use those a lot. So I'm using this page right here. It has a lot of titles and stuff like to do and get stuff done, and I'm placing them throughout the spread just to kind of give it some titles. Alright y'all, so here is my final spread. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on HeartsAndAPlan on Instagram and comment below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.